Pisces. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, October 15 to the 31st. Yan, reading po natin, ha? So, welcome po mga Pisces friends na mga OFW. Welcome back sa mga OFW na nasa Pilipinas, nagbabakasyon. Enjoy po kayo. Yeah? Maski na may bagyo. Ingat po tayo dyan. So, sa mga hindi po OFW at nag-apply pa lang, good luck po sa inyo. Yes, good luck po. Kung nasaan tayong daigdig, party ng daigdig, sana healthy, blah blah blah, happy, at walang problema. Yes? We claim that. Pisces, correct? So, October 15 to 31, fellow water sign. Scorpio po kasi ako, kaya mas close ako din sa mga water sign. Sa mga OFW na water sign, magkwentuhan po tayo, magkape-kape tayo. Yeah? So, ito tayo, tatlong water sign na nagtatrabaho. Yes? So, binubuo natin yung pundasyon. Pundasyon sa buhay natin para sa magandang bahay, magandang makapagpaaral, makapagpadala ng pera, makaipon, makaretire ng masagana. Yes? So, alam ni Pisces yan dahil importante kay Pisces yung solid foundation. Kulang yung niya, yung element ng water niya kapag walang mabunot. Walang mabunot sa pitaka. Correct? Okay, ito na. Okay? Kung naliliitan ka sa sweldo mo or sa negosyo, mahina yung benta, o hindi ka masaya sa kumpanya, ito yung mga ka-office mate mo ngayon . Ito yung nasa environment mo . Yung sa mga hindi makasundo, normal yan. Okay? Difference opinion, normal yan. Okay? So, move. Try something else. Ito yung day-to-day na ginagawa natin. Walang walang pagkadrama. Nakakapagod yan. Nakakapagod. Ito yung papasok ka, gigising ka ng alas 5, kakain, magluluto. Minsan magpaplansya ka pa. Ayos mo yung pinagkanan, yung babaunin, check mo muna yung bills ng kuryente, ng pan-tuition, bago ka pumasok. Boring, but we have to do. That's the reality ng buhay po. Yes, Pisces. So, yung Pisces na nasa harapan ko, ito yung mga Piscean na alam nila yung responsibilidad nila. Yeah? So, meron kang yung adventure, meron kang nakita, meron kang you're moving toward that one. Sinabi mo na, okay, graduate na ako sa paglakad sa baha. Graduate na ako sa yung routine na I have to prove myself palagi. Yes? So, why don't I try to go somewhere else? Isama ko si Rintintin, yeah? Sa adventure. Yeah? Bagong panimula, 0, nag-reset ka. Ano yan? Pisces. So, this is about moving to something new or something different na hindi mo dati ginagawa. Yeah. Meron mang ganyan, Pisces. Knowing Pisces kasi parang Scorpio din yan na mahiyain . Okay? Water sign, mahiyain tayong Okay? So, okay? So, marami ka nang natutunan. Kumbaga sa karanasan mo, pinagsunugan mo ng kilay, pinagpuyatan mo, you gain that knowledge at wisdom. Naglakad ka sa dilim, naglakad ka sa baha, naglakad ka sa snow, kung mga nakaibigan natin nasa North America, na nakabalot ng sweater at winter jacket and everything, naglakad ka sa, this is something painful. That's why ito yung Hermit. Kung may Virgo kang kaibigan or new partner, ito yung ito yung dinadala mo ngayon na that cloak, yung pangginaw, yung saplot, okay? Lalim na una. ng iyong kakayahan, talento. Okay? Mayaman ka na sa talento. Yeah? And now, you want to use the talent. Kaya tayo mo nakatingin siya. Oh, iniilawan ni Hermit yung the fool. The fool is a young kid, innocent. You want to go to adventure. Nang wala kang kamuang-muang, na nanggaling ka doon na dati. Yes? And you want to try something new. Yes, Pisces? Yung tipong after kang mag-OFW for so many years, okay, nakaipon ka, pinagtyagaan mo yung amo mo na makunat, na bastos minsan, those kind of effort. That's not easy, okay? So, ngayon, ready ka na to move on and open your business. Ready ka na magretiro or ready ka nang sa mga bagong nag-a-apply. Meron kang nakitang mas maganda doon sa ibang lugar naman. Yeah, alam yan. Alam ko yan kasi marami akong kaibigan na OFW din po ako for more than 15 years. So, adventure, nanggaling din po ako dyan. And, itong tinabaho mo na ito, yung pundasyon na itinayo mo, okay, albihasa ka doon sa na ito. Okay, ito yung mga Piscean na expert on their field of career. Yeah? Mga inhinyero, mga doktor, mga accountant, mga pumasok sa akin singer. Okay. Mga anything using your skill set na yung kailangan ng kamay na doktor, yung mga ganon, okay? Mga nagtatrabaho sa factory, skilled, yung mga ganon, skilled yun eh. Okay? So ready ka na. Kung dati ka namamasukan, ready ka nang magtayo ng factory ng sapatos o factory ng bag, factory ng I saw that sa YouTube, merong isang nagtrabaho sa Vietnam nananahin ng bag and then nagtayo na rin siya. Yeah, okay. Ito yung new beginning mo. Meron kang inspirasyon. Ano yung nagbigay sa'yo ng inspirasyon? Ang inspirasyon mo, yung trabaho mo. Mga Piscean na walang ginawa kundi lang magtrabaho, nag-focus sa pagiging sa pagiging empleyo. Nothing wrong. Mga software engineer, mga teacher, nurse, mga unsung hero daw tayo eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano meaning nila no unsung hero kasi wala naman ako makuha tulong sa gobyerno. Correct, Pisces? And you take charge. I think that's one beautiful here. Okay. I see a Piscean na you take control. Ibinigay sa iyo yung inspirasyon at pinukpok-pokpok mo yung inspirasyon na yun. Hindi mo lang itinago na inspirasyon sa isip mo. You work hard for that one. Ano ito? Okay. Nagde-develop ka ba ng isang program na magiging unicorn? Meron kang kaibigan na Virgo o boss na naging inspirasyon mo, or I think this is a very work setting. Okay? Very focused si Pisces ngayon yung energy niya sa money, kabuhayan, resources, and building your wealth. Sarap pakinggan yan. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, kung hindi po OFW, we all have that type of energy. Tama? Yung mga nasa call center. Okay? Pero itong Piscean na ito ready na siya to move forward. Kasi merong nakapagbigay sa kanya ng panibagong inspirasyon and you've been working for that for a while. Okay? Yeah, may tinapos ka. Oh. May tinapos ka. Yeah. You have that relationship with a Scorpio, or you are nurturing. Okay, leader din ito. Okay, leading to sa Naalala ko na kakapanood ko lang kanina nung ano, yung audit committee. Ano bang pangalan ng ex-COA, Commission on Audit? Yeah, ganun ito. Biglang pumasok ay si mga accountants na nagbibilang ng pera dito. Okay? And minanimo Pisces itong ano, itong Ten of Sword na ito. Okay? Minanimo. Alam mo yung meron kang proyekto sa trabaho, okay? Repeat. This is a repetitious type of energy. Boring po ito. Ito yung realidad ng buhay na kailangan magtrabaho tayo, kalyo-kalyo yung kamay, literally, just to to have that dream house of ours. Ito yung wealth na tinatawag. Okay? Look at this. Kung yung familiar kayo sa tarot card ng original, this is about, you see that craftsman, nagpupukpok siya ng wall. Okay? Kumbaga sa yung bato hinuhulman niya para maging templo. Okay? And that's not something easy po. Okay? Ito yung paisiyan. Ito yung pinagdaanan mo. Okay? So, kung sa sitwasyon mo ay nahihirapan ka, you're going through a lot of stress na parang tinatanong mo na, may patutunguhan ba ito? Pero alam mo yung sa sarili mo, deep inside, alam mo rin yung sagot. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, yes. May patutunguhan ito. Yun ang mindset mo na nagsasabi, just keep on moving kasi hawak mo yung ito yan okay. This is how the tarot images talks, okay. That one is about the passion, wisdom, okay. Wisdom, knowledge, inspiration, inspired action. Ngayon, it gives you that inspiration also to challenge yourself, to work harder, okay? And to think bigger. Yeah? Nasa nasa back of your head mo Okay? Tinuloy mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. What is nakaka-boring na trabaho? You don't consider it as a boring. Medyo sumusulpot that it's gonna be boring, but you know that there will always that light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Pagtapos ng dilim, sisikat ang araw. Yeah? Very strong ang mo rito, faith mo rito, Pisces. Okay? Pinaglabanan mo yan Kasi nga siguro dahil sa you have the children of your own, you're nurturing. You are nurturing a family. You are nurturing yourself. You want to keep that emotional, love, protective personality mo. Yes? And you are holding that what can I dito? Yung ginagawa mo, it's something that you offer. Yun nakuha ko rin na pick up ko. Okay? Despite that emotional element, yung energy, Pisces is a very water emotional sign. Okay? You rise above that. Okay? Because itong ginagawa mo na ito, which you do it very best, yung talento mo, excuse me, yun ang offer mo. That's the type of energy. Okay? And it's time for you to move on. Yeah? So you just need to acknowledge and claim. Nangati yung akin. Yeah. Okay? So acknowledge and claim it. I don't think hindi na claim. I don't see na you need to claim it. Kasi when you're doing that mundane, day to day, put your soul on that responsibility. This is a responsibility. You already claimed that. You didn't know that, Pisces. Okay? You didn't know that you already claim it. And what I can see here, yung universe na yung nag-unfold. Okay? I don't think na you realize this. You know that Ten of Swords, you just completed that cycle. You just completed that cycle. Yung discipline nung Pisces na nakikita ko rito is so strong. I don't think you even needed anybody at this stage. Meron nandun pa rin yung need because you are dealing with a lot of people here. Okay? Especially with the Virgo who is very strong ang presence here at saka ang another Pisces or another Cancer or another Scorpio and a Virgo. Yun ang mga element na nagbigay sa'yo ng inspirasyon to move. That's where you're going. You are moving to a new direction and it's big. Okay? I do not know kung ano definition ng big mo, Pisces. Okay? So, yun ang that's how it's playing out this October 15 to 31. Yeah? Okay, that's a good one. Okay? Tignan natin kung ano pa yung what else you need to know. Okay? So, if there's any blocking or anything that you need to be cautious or something helpful para masustain mo yung flow ng ng direction na patutunguhan mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Few more cards para sa kaibigan nating Pisces, kapatid nating water sign na Pisces. Ano pa? So, tanong natin sa guardian angel niya. Okay. Oh, okay. So, it's moving fast. Sabi ka nun, take charge. Yeah, take charge and cautious on I think this is not a warning or something. I consider this Knight of Swords siguro is just to be safe on the words na we use. Okay? Because I see that crow. Okay? I don't think if it's a crow or eagle. Okay? But news, everything is moving fast. That's how I can see here. That's what the card is saying. So, and you're moving to that direction which is the sun. This is a powerful reading para kay Pisces. Yeah? Okay. Meron bang ganyan? So, you're not just claiming this one. I think, kinuha mo na siya. You own that. You own your place under the sun. Pisces, So, this is sana all type of reading. October 15 to 31. So, shout out po yung mga kapatid nating OFW kung nag-resonate. Kung hindi po, wag pilitin. So, but own it. Own. You need to own it. Yan ang isa ng problema sa atin We just claim, but you don't own it. Pero itong Pisces na nakikita ko you take charge of this one. So, yung energy of being given to you, ibinigay sa'yo talaga. Ibinagsak sa'yo ibinagsak sa'yo. Okay? But it doesn't mean na binagsak lang sa'yo ng ganon-ganon. Kasi, hindi yung bayabas ng umanga ka lang na para bumagsak sa lupa. Yeah? So, that's the Pisces that nakikita ko dito nasa harapan ko. Okay. So, tingnan natin. One oracle card para kay Pisces. Ano pa yung advice? Advice lang. Another advice or any message. Pisces sa mga kaibigan nating Piscean, water sign, fellow water sign. Okay. Tingnan natin. One lang. Come on. Sige. Spirit. Isa lang. Okay. Blue moon. O, ngayon ko lang nakita to. Now is a powerful time to set long-term goals and sow seeds for the future. Yan, clear ba? Yeah? Okay? Sow seeds for the future. Kasi nagtanim ka na rito. You didn't just take charge eh. Hindi mo lang to wish. Tinrabaho mo ito. Ito yung tinanim mo na eh. So, sow seed for the future. Okay? So, if you're still on the stage that you are sowing seed, yung opportunity is not coming. It's not gonna be very long. It's not gonna be very long, Pisces. Mark that on your calendar, October 15 to 31. Yeah, yung mga in-applyan na nakapending, something is mabubuhay. That's what it means. Okay? Yung itinanim mo 3 weeks ago, 3 months ago, or 8 months, as far as 8 months ago, I can see the number 8 here. Okay? You're gonna receive a text message because that's your Knight of Swords, which is coming fast, and it's faster than the speed of that eagle soaring. Yeah? Okay, sana all moment. So, Pisces, hope you enjoy the reading at see you again. Salamat po.